Hello and welcome to Cinema Samosa and Sarcasm. Wish you guys a very happy Diwali and hope you're having a safe Diwali. The two big releases this week, Shivai and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, managed to create a lot of fireworks before the release, but not that much buzz post-release.
अजीब कहानी है प्यार और दोस्ती के रिश्ते की. प्यार हमारा हीरो, दोस्ती हमारी हीरोइन.
So it's been said after the second day collection that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has managed to collect more money than Shivai. Remember, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is not released in single screen theatres in more than 4 states. But if you look at the numbers game, the fact of the matter is that multiplex tickets costs much more than single screen tickets. But we are not here to discuss numbers. So let's get down to talking about the two films. Well, apart from the fact that the two films happen to clash at the box office, there's really no comparison there. They belong to different genres, they have lead actors which appeal to different generation of audiences. If you like romantic films, obviously Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is the obvious choice for you. And if you're an action lover, then who can miss Shivai?
तांडव है और ध्यान भी वो है, अज्ञानी का ज्ञान भी वो है.
Well, just like the films, there's no comparison between the two lead actors either. You cannot imagine a Ranbir Kapoor doing what an Ajay Devgan does and vice versa. Shivai clearly has a single USP, which is Ajay Devgan and his action. Whereas in Ae Dil, there is a gamut of stars and the only one who keeps you hooked right till the end is Ranbir Kapoor with his mesmerizing performance.
किसी ने कभी आपको सडनली चांटा मारा है? बाट. उस चांटे को इश्क कहते हैं और वो चांटा और जोर से पड़ता है जब कोई तीसरा आ जाता है.
Well, the similarity between both the films is that it's equally boring and dragging at points. In the first half, Shivai and its romantic sequences is like way too filmy, way too difficult to digest. And on the other hand, Ae Dil has a barrage of filmy lines which do keep you entertained at times but also annoy you.
प्यार में जुनून है पर दोस्ती में सुकून है.
Talking about the similarities in the films, both the films have a mixed bag of songs which are good and not so good. The story and screenplay in both the films is predictable and cliché to an extent. But the biggest similarity is that the climax in both the films just doesn't end. It just goes on and on and on.
वही शून्य है वही एकाकी जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय.
Well, the advantage that Ae Dil has over Shivai is that it has a lot of stars doing cameo performances. While Shivai, the director, is really selfish and the focus is only on Shivai, which is Ajay Devgan, Ae Dil, on the other hand, has Alia Bhatt, has Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, has of course Shah Rukh Khan in cameo roles. The crux of the film, the main dialogue of the film, the essence of the film, the ek tarfa mohabbat dialogue, is mouthed by none other than Shah Rukh Khan.
आसान है क्या? ऐसी मोहब्बत करना जिसके बदले मोहब्बत ना मिले.
Both the films have a huge emotional connect. Hey, why not? They're Hindi films at the end of the day. But the onus of making the audience connect with that emotion lies only on Ajay Devgan's character and Ranbir Kapoor's character. You constantly question Anushka Sharma because why does she have to keep rejecting Ranbir Kapoor? And in Shivai, on the other hand, you really do not feel for the little girl because, I'm sorry, but it would have just been simpler to teach her Hindi than make her mute. In Shivai, Ajay Devgan doesn't let anybody else steal the show. It's only him all the way. Whereas in Ae Dil, Ranbir Kapoor has to make way for the Khans, be it Shah Rukh Khan or be it Fawad Khan. Fawad Khan just stands in the frame, says nothing, does nothing, but steals the show.
मोहब्बत करता हूं तुमसे निज़म.
Also in Shivai, Ajay Devgan doesn't really mention God when he's in trouble when he has to scale mountains, but when he has to smoke up a chillam, it's Har Har Mahadev. So not cool.
ना आदि ना अंत है उसका, वो सबका ना इनका उनका. वही शून्य है वही एकाकी जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय.
So out of the two, is a single film a clear winner? Definitely not. You need to decide what you want to watch based on the genre of the film and based on which actor you like. The performances of both the lead actors, be it Ranbir Kapoor or Ajay Devgan, like I've repeatedly said, are very good. And a word of advice, do not watch both the films back to back like I did, because that is surely going to give you a headache. See you soon at the movies.